You know, smart musicians never blame their failures on others like Mr. Algorithm and quit. Instead, they study their failures and win. Bobby Borg here, your music business coach with short, no BS advice that can help you turn your passion for music into a more successful business. Over the last 30 years, I've drummed in major label bands signed to Atlantic, wrote several music business books published by Billboard, and taught at major universities like USC Thornton. Okay, so let me begin with a little story about how this video and my YouTube channel still has a long way to go. So let's address the elephant in the room. I need to up my subscriber numbers, I need to up my video view count, and I need to increase the number of click-through rates on my thumbnail. But will you ever hear me say it's the algorithm's fault and the words "I quit"?
Hell no!
But you will also never see me making the same videos over and over again and expecting different results. That would be the definition of insanity. Instead, with every video I make, I look at the click-through rate, I study the number of views, and I look at the percentage of the video viewed, and I try to make the next one better and better and better. Take, for instance, the video quality from the past to the video quality of the present. Or check out this video thumbnail from the past compared to a video thumbnail of the present. Or check out the engagement and the percentage of the video viewed from the past to the engagement and the percentage of the video viewed in the present. With each video, I try to get better and better and better. And this is exactly the attitude that you need to have with your music content. It really comes down to 4 steps that will help you win at your music in 2022, 23, 24, and beyond. Are you ready for it?
Step number 1.
Make content and always do your best. And come on, you're not fooling anybody. You know when it's really your best.
Step number 2.
Measure your content. Use the analytics on the platforms that you're posting on and study them inside and out.
Step number 3.
Strive to make content that outperforms the piece before. Challenge yourself. Experiment with different things, but always remain true to your artistic vision.
And step number 4.
Repeat steps 1 through 3 and never give up. Remember, it's your decision in 2022 and beyond to either be a whiner or a smart winner. If you want to learn more about how to turn your passion for music into a more successful business, be sure to check out this video or the one linked in the description below.